Bluey and the family at the creek. Now, when I was a kid, I called it crick. I'm from Pennsylvania, so we use crick. But you say creek, okay? Unless you're from Pennsylvania. All right, let's read it. Here we go. Bluey's bored of the playground. She's played on everything twice. Do you like going to the playground? It's so much fun going down the slide and on the swings. Mackenzie has an idea. What about we go to the creek? Yeah, I'll take you down to the creek, says Dad. Oh, that's so much fun. Dad's going to take him down to the creek. That's great. Yay, cried the kids. Dad scoops up Bingo and races off. Let's bush bash. Bluey holds back. She's not sure what the creek is. What the creek is like. Maybe she might just stay in the playground. Bluey's a little scared. Are you ever scared of something new? Well, sometimes you just have to take action and go for it, okay? All right, but Mackenzie won't let her. Come on, Bluey. The creek is beautiful. It looks like we're going to have a tough time with that. Creek. The creek is very different from the playground. Very, very different. Have you ever gone down to the creek? To the creek? Boy, this is going to mess us up, isn't it? There are more thorns here and more spiders and definitely more leeches. There's all kinds of stuff at the creek. That's funny. But there's also more of the fellas. Oh, look at that. The gang heads down a slope. The ground is more uneven here. You got to be careful. And there are no steps like at the playground. Arg! Ah! Bluey. Wow, says Bingo when they arrive at the creek. Both Mackenzie and Bingo think the creek is beautiful, but Bluey still wonders if they're right. I love going to the creek. We used to go tubing down the creek. Yep. And we would build little dams. So much fun. Dad and Bingo lead them to the spot where he played as a kid. Oh, that's so much fun. They rock hop across the water. Hop, hop, hop. Some of the rocks are pointy. Others are wobbly. And the green ones are very slippery. You can slide into the water. The creek is beautiful, Bluey says to herself. It's so lovely. Oh, you see, Bluey is scared at first, but now she's learning that she likes it. I'm not scared of it at all, but she might be a little... Ooh, look at her standing on the rock. It's wobbly. I like this book. Bluey is getting the hang of the creek. She's jumping and having fun. Oh, that's great. You made it. Squirt, says Dad. The creek is an adventure. Here we are. I don't think I've been to the creek since I was your age, says Dad. It still looks the same. The creek must be really old then. They're calling Dad old. Bluey's not sure what to play. In the playground, it's easy. They know what to play. But the creek, it's different. What are we going to play at the creek? Oh, I wonder what Bluey's going to come up with. Let's see. Just then, a dragonfly flutters past. See the dragonfly right there? And Bluey just starts mucking around. Look at that. Having fun. Skipping stones and making boats. Skipping stones is so much fun. You get a nice flat one, really flat rock, and you throw it sideways and it skips across the water. You got to try it, okay? And making boats, look how they made boats with leaves. Oh, that's so much fun. They're being very creative. And building dams. Oh, that's what I said about. Bluey thinks the creek is fun. Building dams is so much fun. Do you know what animal builds a dam? It's a beaver. Beavers build dams. At Daddy Day Spa, Dad finally gets his nails done. Bingo slops a mud pack on Dad. This will make you very beautiful. Oh, I'm out of mud. I'll get some more. Volunteers Bluey and heads off to get some more mud. Look at Dad. Dad's having a spa day in the mud. That's so silly. Bluey screeches her paws into the mud. Suddenly, there's a rustling noise. Uh-oh, something's happening. What's happening? Bluey looks up and gasps. Oh, no! A pootaroo. What is a pootaroo? See that? A pootaroo. They stare at each other. The pootaroo's nose twitches like that before it bounds off, jumps away. As the gang heads home, Bluey doesn't have to wonder if Mackenzie and Bingo were right. She knows for sure, deep inside, that the creek is beautiful. Oh, that's so much fun. You have to go to the creek sometime. Talk to your parents and say, hey, can we go to the creek and play? Or if you want to be silly, say, crick. Thanks for listening to this book. I had a great time reading it. That was a fun one, and I'll see you in the next video.